2012 F350 6.7. We worked out the camshaft on the number 5 cylinder. Got all the lifters out of there. Just put a new cam in it. Timing marks are easy. You got a little dash, two dashes, one dash. Put the 2 dashes to 1 dash right there. Real simple. Easiest motor ever at a time. You got 2 little bolts right here. You got 10mm head bolts on them. Pop them out, the cam slides right out. Not too many videos on YouTube on wiped out cams as such. As you can see right here, number 5 cylinder on the driver's side, first cylinder, number 5. This is the jacked up cam right here. You can see the lobe right here. It's wiped out. And right there, wipe both of those lobes out for the intake and exhaust. Just a spare 6.7 had sitting here. Brand new engine. Number 5 cylinder. Wiped it out. We got all the other parts laying right there. All the other lifters. I'm going to go ahead and install both heads off of this engine. I already robbed the cam. I just stuck that back in there. That's about it.